Now let's shift our focus to the capital, where amid rising concerns over Delhi air pollution, the government will form a committee headed by Chief Minister Rekha Gupta to monitor pollution in the national capital. The committee will also include scientists and experts on the panel. This decision was taken during a meeting called by the Chief Minister amid the rising concerns over worsening air pollution. The government has said that no agency will be spared, whether the PWD, MCD or any private contractors. Strict action, including FIRs against engineers, will follow if debris or illegal road cutting is found. Meanwhile, the crisis has reached Parliament, where opposition MPs dramatically wore gas masks inside the House, demanding a debate on Delhi's toxic air. A DMK MP urged the centre to reconsider holding sessions during peak smog season, calling it a public health emergency. Let's take a look.
CND साइट्स हैं इनको बढ़ाना, लेकिन जो करंटली अभी CND साइट्स हैं इनके ऊपर भी अभी से MCD प्रॉपर इसकी फेंसिंग करेगी, प्रॉपर यहाँ पर वाटर स्प्रिंकलिंग करेगी ताकि CND साइट्स के ऊपर से भी किसी भी तरह की डस्ट मिटिगेशन को रोका जा सके.
They don't know what to do when pollution in Delhi from previous year and this year it has increased too much, and the same environment minister is sitting there in that chair. Now only he had woken up thinking that what is happening in the country. Now he will have ask the Delhi government to prepare a plan. Delhi government will send people to manage the prepare a plan now. When this is going to end? India has been insulted across the world because Delhi is becoming the most polluted city.
Pollution is no longer just a statutory concern. It has become a national emergency, and nowhere is more visible than right here in the capital city of Delhi. Sir, Delhi has become a gas chamber. The government must seriously consider whether Parliament winter sessions during peak smog months are even advisable.
There is this committee that has now been formed by the Delhi government with the Chief Minister at the helm. Do you think this seems like an afterthought, that this is a little too late in terms of action?
Absolutely. It's just a face-saving measure. We've actually made the Chief Minister the head of a committee on pollution when this is the same Chief Minister who has completely failed to really give the real data for the last several weeks. So we are making someone the monitor or the head of this committee to really improve Delhi's air, someone who's completely denied that there's actually a problem like air pollution that exists in Delhi in that sense. And also for the fact that this is happening actually in December, when people have been raising this issue for almost several weeks, several years indeed. For, right now, again, we don't even know what exactly will this committee do in terms of really understanding whether the sources of pollution are known or not. Everyone knows what the problem is. Everyone knows what needs to be done. We don't need yet another committee. There's a committee of CAQM already that exists on paper, and sometimes, occasionally, they meet over chai and samosa and pass some circulars. But reality of action is completely missing. India needs action rather than yet another committee. India needs a performing chief minister and performing chief ministers rather than head of a committee chief minister.